In this video, we will understand how to draw the cutting plane line in Autocad for sectional orthographic projections. Now, why we draw the sectional view? Because sometimes the object is complex and we have too many dotted lines, and to avoid confusion, we take a sectional view. So the sectional view shows the internal details of the object. Now the object is cut by a cutting plane line, and this cutting plane line we need to draw the part of object in between the observer and the cutting plane is imagined to be discarded. So what is meaning of this? We will see this in the drawing. Now we will see how to draw the cutting plane line. Now the cutting plane line is shown over here. The end of the cutting plane line is thicker, whereas the in between these two thicker lines we have center line. So this is how we have to draw the cutting plane line. Here also it has been shown the location of a cutting plane line is shown by this line. It is long, thin chain line, thick at the ends only. So here we will see an example. This is thick at the end, and in between we have center line, and here we are showing the two arrows and the cutting plane PP that has been indicated. So we'll see how to draw this on AutoCAD. Now in case of AutoCAD, here I have already drawn a sectional orthographic projection. This is sectional front view, top view and right hand side view. Now we have to draw a section line in the top view because this front part is removed. Here the observer is there and the section line will be at the center over here. So the object or the part between the observer and the section line is removed, and then we draw the sectional front view. So here you can see a sample has been shown how to draw the cutting plane line using polyline. Now in order to draw this in top view, first we will see the total length of the top view. It is 54 plus 18 plus 6 plus 40 plus 36. So it is 154. So this center line length is 154. Additionally, this 10 and 10 mm thicker lines will be there at the end. So how to draw this we will understand. First we have selected the object layer, then click polyline, click over here and in vertical direction. Now make sure ortho is on. In vertical direction this length is 5, so 5, enter. Now we want to draw this arrowhead over here. So the arrowhead size, in order to draw that I'll click on width. Initial width will be 1, so 1 starting width, end width is 0, and the length of the arrow is 3 millimeter, so 3, enter. Now escape. Next again I'll click polyline. This is the starting point. Click on width. Now the width, starting width is 1, enter, and ending width is also 1, enter. The length of the line is 5 millimeters, so 5, enter, and then I want to draw till this point, so it will be 10, enter. Next I'll again click on width. Now the starting width is 0, so 0, enter, ending width is also 0, 0, enter, and then I want a straight line. Now the length of the line is 154 as we calculated, so this is 154, enter. Now next we'll draw again the thick part, so click on width. Starting width is 1, ending width is 1, enter, and the length is 10 millimeters, so 10, enter, escape. Again click polyline. Now we have to draw this arrow which is there on bottom side, so it will be from the midpoint. Click over here, click on width. Starting width is 0, 0, enter. Ending width is 1, enter. And the length of the arrowhead is 3 millimeters, so 3, enter. Then again click width. Width of the line is 0, starting width is 0, ending width is 0, enter. And then length is 5 millimeters, so 5, enter. Then escape. Now we'll show the section AA over here. So take the text, type here A, then press Ctrl A to select this A, click over here, type 5, enter, and then escape. Now select this text, type CO, enter, copy it to this point as well, escape. Now we have already created layers over here, so I'll put this in the layer of center line. So here I have already created a layer center 2. So select this, and this will be center. Now here you can observe this length is 10, whereas this length over here is more. So I'll change the line type scale of this line. So click and select this line, click over here, properties, line type scale I'll change. Now this depends on your computer, you need to check it by trial and error. So I'll put the value 0.5, enter, close this. Now you can see this center line, the longer length is approximately equal to this one. Now I have to move this over here. Okay, so in order to move this, select the line, M, enter, move from this point, turn off ortho, and place it over here. So this is how you have to draw the cutting plane line in AutoCAD.